Repeat after me. You are enough.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please comment, like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. So today I'll be doing a review on this mini sewing machine that I've had for a while now. Like I got it I think a few months back, I think last year when they were a bit common. Yeah, so I got it from an online vendor on Facebook. I think the total cost me about 450 kwacha. Yeah, from Lusaka. So when I got this thing, I wanted to start my bonnet business. I was like, okay, this is nice, whatever and everything, but I couldn't even use this thing for a long time because after some time it stopped working, and I was like, what's happening? So it's like, I don't know. It's like I don't know what happened. So it's just not worth your money unless if you're getting it from a credible website or something. But the ones out here in these Chinese shops, they're not worth it, guys. It's not worth your money. You're just going to waste money. Like I wasted money, and it still hurts me because I can't use this thing. So yeah, it's like it doesn't. I tried to Google, watch YouTube tutorials on how to fix the timing and all those things. Like every time I need to use it, I need to fix it. I need to fix it. So I just packed it. Like this is wasted money, guys. Wasted money. So just save money and get a bigger sewing machine that will last you for a long time, not this. Yeah, so yeah, I just wasted my money. Came with a lot of things, like just wasted my money, guys. Wasted my money. What's this? I wasted my money. So yeah, this I wasted money.